PennDOT is resuming a much-needed restoration project on multiple bridges and ramps in Dauphin County.
Fox 43's Tyler Hatfield is live at one of these sites. Tyler, I guess the good news would be it shouldn't really affect the commuters this morning.
Yeah, Sean, it shouldn't really affect the morning commuters. I spoke to Dave Thompson just yesterday. He's from PennDOT, and we'll be hearing about him in just a bit. But yeah, he said morning commute should be fine, but there might be some traffic later tonight, and crews have been out here working since yesterday to resume some of the much needed repairs and restorations on these bridges and ramps. And the project centers around the interchange of I-81 and Route 22. And yesterday, crews began stage 2 of the project. And that just means painting and repairing concrete on both the bridge from eastbound Route 22 to northbound I-81 and the bridge on westbound Route 22 over I-81. Crews will also be replacing and adding new road sign structures on both northbound and southbound I-81 and eastbound and westbound Route 22. PennDOT says weather and heavy traffic is the main culprit of the wear and tear of these bridges. Now they want to get to work.
When this happens, we need to do some work to to prevent that from getting worse and to make them more rideable for our motorists as well. So this will make things a little smoother through that area, I would expect, and it also extend the life of the bridge.
Crews will also work on replacing expansion bearings on westbound Route 22 over I-81. The main contractor of this project is Dauphin Inc. of Mechanicsburg. The project will cost nearly $10 million to complete. And PennDOT says if there is any effect on traffic, again, it will probably occur at night. So I want to show you something interesting. If you are still about to go on your morning commute or you're going to hit the roads later today, check this out. I was talking to crews just yesterday, and they say where you can see blue on the ramps or bridges, that is what has been restored and have been repaired. They gave me the phrase, blue means new. And you can see the lime green of the bridge. That is where the crews will continue to work and begin those repairs and restoration. So if you want more information about the project, head over to our website, fox43.com. Live in Dauphin County, I'm Tyler Hatfield, Fox 43 News.